Alright, I just replaced 5 smoke alarms at a house. As you can see, those are the smoke alarms that I replaced. And this fact might be surprising for some people, but the test button on most smoke alarms only tests the alarm circuitry. So what I'm going to do, since I just replaced each unit with a new unit, I'm going to take some smoke centurion, which is canned smoke. I'm going to spray it at each new smoke alarm and make sure that the alarm is working, the sensor is working, and it's wired and interconnected correctly. So let's get to it. Alright, here's the first one we're going to test today. Some of these will be dual smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. I'm not going to be testing the carbon monoxide feature with these alarms because spraying carbon monoxide in a house is very dangerous and poisonous. So we're going to go ahead and spray it with some smoke. Canned smoke. And there we go. It's working. Alright, on to the next one. This is kind of like a walk test. There we go. It's working. Little demonstration of the hush button. It's working. And it's working. Hush button feature. Alright, here's the fifth and final one. Well, all of them are working, which is great. To be clear, I do not recommend you using any sort of open flame to test your smoke alarms. In fact, the manufacturer says using the test button is just fine, but I like to go above and beyond when it comes to fire safety in a house. Have a great day, everyone. Now I gotta figure out what to do with all these old smoke alarms.